Hello again and welcome to Ndudu by Fafa.
Hello everyone and welcome to my creative African cooking channel Ndudu by Fafa. My name is Fafa Gilbert. Today I'm actually being nostalgic, but I'm making my smoothie which is going to be packed with vitamin C. So I've got my kale, cucumber and some ginger in there, and I'm adding my squeeze of fresh orange juice to it. It's very easy and it's packed with loads of antioxidants. It's exactly what I need. Just gonna add just a little bit of honey for that sweetness, and I think I'm done. Yeah, so what am I going to be talking about? Abrofo Nkatie, the Indian almond, or tropical almonds may I say. When was the last time you had that? You know, that was like a childhood favorite. And yeah, let me just blend this and I'm going to talk more about this. Now when I do go to Ghana, I tend to live a very nostalgic life. Absolutely. It's just, you know, sort of reminiscing about the good old times. And Abrofo Nkatie was like one of the pivotal parts of my childhood. My auntie had the almond tree in her house. And of course, when it was ripened, it was just beautiful because you ate the flesh, and the flesh, when it's ripened, it's sweet. And then you have this rough part of it, which is bitter. You crack that nut, then you find the nut in, which is just incredible. It has this sort of layers of almonds that's just being packed together, and it's beautiful to watch and equally great to eat. Now, this video was filmed and that was me spending time with my cousin trying to pluck some few almonds from the tree. And you know, it's that whole, you know, determination that you are gonna pluck that, you know, nothing's gonna come between you and that. And it has snippets of little conversations that we do have, and it's fun. You know, when was the last time you did something like that? You know, yeah, I think during being a 90s child, most definitely I'd say it was fun. We did a lot of things that I think, I don't know if the youth of today are able to enjoy that. But yeah, see if you enjoy this. Oh, that's nice.
So here we do have the tropical almond tree. Now this is actually grown in tropical regions, and definitely, you know, in Ghana, you will find this tree in most homes. I don't know if that's still the case. Now the leaves, unbeknown to me, also do hold very high nutritional contents. So much so that in Taiwan, the fallen leaves are used as a herb to treat liver diseases. And in Suriname, they do make a herbal tea out of it that treats dysentery and diarrhea. I did not know about that. So a bit of research got me. Then I'm like, oh, this is interesting. All I do know is during our childhood, we could not wait to pluck this beautiful almond from the tree, you know, eat the skin, crack that nut open and just feast on its beauty. It was just incredible. When was the last time you did that?
Ripen one.
I'll put my own space in it. Oh, that's okay. Oh, this is so cool.
But what's the ripe one?
The ripe one was
I will hold it too. I want you to hold it too. And today, the only link has been cut.
Naturally, to pluck the almonds from the tree, you do need your stick. So yeah, finding the long bamboo stick was definitely ideal. Hey! Hey! After a few failed attempts, when you end up plucking the almond, you are excited. Definitely, you do celebrate that. You know, it is a bit of a skill to use the stick in, you know, plucking the almonds. As you can see, we just saw this beautiful ripened one, and no, that stick missed it. So you try it again and again. And I think that teaches one about determination, really. You know, you keep at it, and guess what? You aim for it again, and then it happens. Just like that. You didn't think it was going to come down? There it is.
Well, she's going to... It's enough.
Yeah, as she rightfully said, it's enough. So now we get to the cracking part of it. And this is also a bit of a skill. You know, one has to be careful that, you don't hit your thumb, because that will be a painful experience. So yeah, there's a stone that has been dedicated just to the ripened almonds. And here we are trying to crack this open. And you can see she's skillfully just doing it, absolutely. And removing the skin as she does it. And there we go.
Oh. Have a look. Have a quick look. I just need to wash my hands quickly. But just look. Look at the lighting. Inside the Abrofo Nkatie. Should I talk?
Inside the what?
Inside the Abrofo Nkatie, we have a nut. Inside the almond, locally called Abrofo Nkatie.
Debbie. Mbajo, where me Pajo, where Abrofo Nkatie? Abrofo Nkatie na bana woman Pajo no any. Ye fa na Abrofo Nkatie we your chrome.
Yeah, is that Abrofo Nkatie on the chrome? And we are near what?
It's so funny.
Make sure. We are boom too. Then you show the inside.
Yeah, actually. Have you got a knife?
Oh, and so you don't need a knife.
Now, clearly, when I'm around my cousins, we do have a laugh and everybody expresses themselves whichever way they want to. Now, the idea that I suggested one should, get me a knife to cut this in half did not sit down well with them. They were like, you better use your teeth to bite this in two. So it's exactly what I did. Absolutely. And look at this beauty. The only thing as well is, I was like, we have this in Ghana, but I've not seen maybe anything made out of it. That's interesting. And also finding out like the bark of the tree as well as the leaves do have these amazing nutritional contents. And I've not come across anything that has incorporated the leaves or the bark in it as a recipe. But yeah, this is definitely inspiring. And I hope you've enjoyed watching this and it's giving you that nostalgic feel.
You see? This is all I do, Juju.
But it's nice.
Now, I miss this about Ghana. You're traveling, going about your day-to-day activities, and you come across a coconut seller. You definitely are stopping them just to, get that beautiful juice. Absolutely. And this inspired me making this alasa mocktail. And I have got the recipe in a previous video. I think I did a couple of years ago. I'll leave a link at the top so you can emulate it. Because currently, alasa is in season. So why not, thinking outside the box and treating yourself to something great? This is all about using our local ingredients, but of course with that twist, that Ndudu twist as always. I hope you've actually enjoyed this episode and I have evoked that nostalgic feeling. Now the next recipe I have coming up is the designer wache. You can tell that I'm obsessed with wache, but trust me, with this recipe, it went down a treat, especially during the Christmas festivities. It is a must try. that is the next one coming up. So if you haven't clicked the subscribe button, I don't know what you're waiting for. I hope I have given you a reason to. Now, until next time, take care of you. Be nice, be beautiful, be you. And when you do get the chance, include Ghana in your travels.